O to be a hot girl. Everyone want to look en fait l'attractive. Bu figuring out to look hot c'est impossible, en everyone a different definition of hot. Girl are rarely born into hotness, burate achivite true confidence, attention to their looks en health, en attitude ta everyone want to be around. Acting te par. Valquistron, confident posture. Remember te first rule of convincing te people you're amazing, you have to believe it yourself. Te quickest way to communicate to te people it through body language. Stantal, keep your chin parallel to the ground, arch your shoulders slightly back, and look straight ahead. Make a few seconds of eye contact with the person you pass, and hold some on gas when you're talking to him or her. Don't valk quickly down the hall, be sure to pause and socialize with people. Most importantly, don't forget to smile. Act confident in a variety of social setting. The hot girl is playing hard to get, she hard to get, you're talking to everyone, meeting new people, and having fun. Remember, the more about who you are than what people think of you. Hot girl just act like te yourself instead of playing game or figuring out popularity secret. Speak en a reasonable volume. Mumbling your speaking too softly indicate that you're unsure of yourself. If you tend to be shy, fake it until you make it. After a while, you'll notice that your confidence stop feeling forced and start feeling like a natural extension of your personality. In your gossip en rumeur à bout people, en valconly que nothing ever happened. Avoir jetting to taki confrontation with anybody. If they have a problem, is there issue, know your, 2. Penis compliment. The most confident people are those who are able to make other feel good with acting jelou. If you're really trying to get someone attention, pay more a genuine compliment. Pick something you know torche proof, or tao te people don't usually notice a bui morer. Deliver it with a smile and with your voice slightly low in tone than usual. Master te are of subtle flirting. Flirting 2 et 1 to man putting yourself way out or making big, grand gesture. If you do it right, it can actually manage to draw people in and make them more interested in you with to them even realizing what's happening. Treat the thing. Les people catch you looking at them. For instance, if you're glancing a GUI across the classroom, keep throwing smile, qui glance away until looks up and notice you. Smile a bit, then look away. If you're talking to a person unknown, drop your voice to a whisper if you're discussing a secret. It 2 et 1 have to be oral secret, the point it a if you're speaking more softly or she will have to lean in closer to hear you. If you play it right, it can lead to leaning close on to whisper into the person ear. Accidentally bump or brush up against people. Don't believe them completely, but don't brush the edge of your arm against someone else's arm, or don't avoid a slight touch if you're leaning across someone to read something. Smile. Research actually shown ta simple, open-eyed smile it most effective form of flirting 3. Do what you want to do, not thing te people want. Confidence, en hotness, relies on your ability to be yourself. If you want to do something, like a sport, activity, or club, go do it, even if other don't seem interested. Trilit tlotai otetan a self-possessed, self-assured omaan who take control of her life. You'll blapier, and you'll exude the sort of confident edge ta make you glow attractively. Who car if something ever or not typically hot. Most people admire courage and self-confidence above a specific activity. 4. In many ways, hotness is subjective. One person think hot and mano. Ton way to succeed to just be yourself and happy. 5. Styling grea air. Pick a good RQ. Ask your stylist à boubang, layé, etc. En wa mal ou go don you, en good for styling. If you want, ask for them to do or puis light in your hair. Tora recevra le website Taleyu Tryout Hairstyle before getting a Q. Type in virtual RQ to import a photo of yourself on so you look with a new color en cut. Take care of your hair. Wash your hair with a desired shampoo, en use a conditionné every hot wash, or when you plan on styling. Turn of wash vary depending on your hair type, but you look no anytime, your hair will feel greasy en grosse to angle. Jet a RQ à bout every 2 to 3 monte tout à voie de spliant. Consider the type avel. Rince te shampoo out with cold or lukewarm water, at cold water will give your hair en extra shine. After you wash your hair, you should condition te en. Be surtout use a good shampoo en conditionné made for your hair type or use a different to make your hair shine bright and smell good. If you have frizzy hair, find good leave-in conditionné or anti-freeze spray à local store. En extra trea, you can apply a mask to your hair. Apply the hair mask mostly at en, leave it for about 15 minutes, then rinse it out. It will make your hair look as if you just walk out of the salon. Brush and style your hair. If you use to use it, straighten bar oblique curl your hair 3-4 times per week, they it can damage the hair. If you do insist on using it to style your hair every day, invest in a good it protectant product. Biki Wave are agrea, fresh alternative to straight hair, you can pick up a good mousse tie especially for wave if your hair on old curl easily. Try out different style and pick out the one to make you look the best. If you have love your curly hair, use a curl defining cream, gel, or spray to keep your hair beautiful and frizz free. If you want longer hair but are too impatient to wait for it to grow, you can try extension. 5 secondes to a salon cambure na all in your oil and damage your hair, we don't you try a clip on piece.